Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off DMs on TikTok. So first of all, once you open up the TikTok app, you're going to want to click on the bottom right hand corner where it says me. Then it's going to bring you to your profile page right here. Then you're going to want to click on the top right hand corner where you see the three little buttons. That's going to bring up settings and privacy. You're going to want to click on privacy and safety. Then you're going to want to scroll down on the safety section. Then you will see who can send you direct messages. You're going to want to click on that. For most people will have friends ticked. If you don't want anyone, just click no one. Tick that there. Or you can change it to whatever which way you want to. Then you can back out of that. That's when you know it's saved for that. Now also in the settings and privacy, if you want to turn off direct message notifications, you can just click on push notifications down there in general. Then you can go ahead and just turn off that direct messages one there. Make sure that's turned off from green to white, and that's when you know it's done. So leave a like on the video if you're going to do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the TikTok app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.